Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. Today I made some tags to use on my kids' presents. I used this die from My Favorite Things Merry Christmas circle frame. I already went ahead and die cut my paper. I have green glitter cardstock and red mirrored cardstock for the Merry Christmas circle frame. And I also have this shimmery ivory cardstock and heavyweight white cardstock for the stitch circles. For the images, I have this extra colored penguins and other images in the dish. I will use them on my tags today. The penguin images are from My Favorite Things stamps, and the present and circle sentiment images are from the stamp set that I have in my stash. I didn't get to use the presents, I only used the penguins and the circle sentiment ones. And now let's go ahead and adhere the circle frame on top of this ivory shimmery cardstock. I only use a little bit of the liquid glue so it doesn't ooze out on the letters. And now let's go ahead and pop up our green glitter cardstock, and I'll adhere that in the middle of the circle. I'm also going to adhere my penguin in the middle, and as you can see, I'm also going to pop this up, removing the release paper, and I will adhere it in the middle of that green glitter cardstock. And now I'm going to stamp to and from with black ink on the white stitch circle die cut, and we can adhere this on the back of the tag. And that white cardstock or white circle is going to make your tags sturdy. And then I will punch a hole in between the Merry and the Christmas sentiment and add my white and gold twine. As you can see here, I'm having hard time threading the twine in the hole because I'm using my tweezer, but it's much easier if you use the threader like what you see here. I got that one in Michael's a few years ago. This tool is called the Collapsible eye needle. It's similar to the ones you use for sewing. It's a useful tool for me when I'm threading twine on projects, and you can also use it for a lot of things. And my Christmas tags are done. I love how these ones turned out, and I love the traditional colors on these tags. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.